project started because our sofa was peeling. First, we removed the side portion of the valances. Then we removed the sofa. It was mounted with wood screws. We found a new sofa that we liked, moved it in, and mounted it to the slide-out using wood screws. We ordered wood Venetian blinds from blinds.com and installed those. This picture shows our sofa with the center console down. We replaced the top wooden valance with a curtain-type valance. This picture shows after all 3 windows are done. Removing the top valance left a gap in the paneling at the top. So we bought some quarter-round trim and stained it to match the rest of the RV. We bought an end table from Wayfair and restained it to match the rest of the RV. After it had been refinished, we put it in between the sofa and the side wall of the slide-out. This picture shows the finished project.